You've been throwing away something every single week that could be saving you money, cleaning your home, healing your skin, and fixing things around your house. And you didn't even know it. The banana peel. That's right. That slippery little thing you toss in the trash without a second thought. It's one of the most powerful, multi-purpose tools hiding in your kitchen. And big cleaning brands and beauty companies absolutely do not want you to figure this out. Stay with me. Because what I'm about to show you is going to completely change the way you look at this fruit forever. Let me ask you something. How much money did you spend last month on cleaning products, on shoe polish, on skin creams, on fertilizer for your garden, on splinter removers or itch creams? If you're like most people, the answer is probably more than you'd like to admit. We walk down those store aisles and just buy, because that's what we're told to do. But here's the thing nobody tells you. Your grandparents didn't need half of those products. And it wasn't because they were living in a dirty house or had bad skin. It's because they knew secrets that modern marketing has quietly buried. One of those secrets involves something almost every person on the planet throws in the trash multiple times a week. The banana peel. Most people eat the banana, toss the peel, and never think about it again. Some people slip on them in cartoons. That's pretty much where our relationship with banana peels ends. But what if I told you that this thing most people call garbage is actually packed with potassium, antioxidants, lutein, and a dozen other powerful compounds that can clean, heal, polish, and even grow things? You won't believe what happens next because I'm going to walk you through every single use, one by one. And some of these are going to genuinely shock you. Now, before I get into all the tricks, I need you to understand why banana peels work. See, most people think the good stuff is inside the banana. And yes, the fruit is nutritious. But the peel? The peel is actually where the banana concentrates its heaviest dose of nutrients. It's like a protective shield loaded with vitamins B6, B12, magnesium, potassium, and something called esterified fatty acids. That last one is interesting. Esterified fatty acids are actually found in some of the most expensive skincare products on the market. Products that cost you $30, $50, even $100 a bottle. And your banana peel has them for free. But the skin tricks are just the beginning, because banana peels also have natural antibacterial, antifungal, and astringent properties, which means they don't just work on your face, they work on your shoes, your plants, your furniture, your garden, and even your silverware. I know, it sounds too good to be true. But stay right there, because the first trick alone is going to make you go dig through your trash can. Trick 1, make your shoes shine like new, no polish needed. Let's start with something you probably need to do right now. Look at your leather shoes. Are they dull? Scuffed? Losing that shine they used to have? Here's what most people do wrong. They run to the store and spend money on shoe polish, which works, sure, but you don't need it. Take the inside of a ripe banana peel, the white mushy part, and rub it directly onto your leather shoes. Work it in slowly, covering every inch of the surface. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then take a soft, clean cloth and buff it off in circular motions. What you'll see is going to make your jaw drop. That dull, tired leather will start to glow. The natural oils and waxes in the peel penetrate the leather and restore moisture and shine almost instantly. And the best part? No chemicals, no artificial dyes, just a banana peel doing what it was born to do. This works on leather bags, leather belts, leather sofas, basically any genuine leather surface. And this is where most people make a mistake. They use the outside of the peel. Don't. Always use the soft white inside. That's where all the good stuff is. Trick 2. Get rid of acne and dark spots overnight. This next one is for anyone who has ever stood in front of the mirror frustrated about their skin. Big skincare brands spend millions of dollars convincing you that clear, glowing skin requires expensive serums, toners, and treatments. But the banana peel has been used as a skin remedy for centuries, and modern science is actually starting to back this up. Here's what you do. Take a fresh, ripe banana peel. Cut a small piece. Gently rub the inside of the peel directly onto your acne spots, dark spots, or any area with irritation. Use a slow circular motion for about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't rinse it off right away. Let it dry on your skin, ideally before bed. Sleep with it. In the morning, wash your face as normal. Do this every night for a week and pay close attention. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in the peel help reduce redness. The natural salicylates, which are actually the base ingredient in many acne creams, help unclog pores. And the lutein helps even out your skin tone. Some people see results in 3 days, others need 2 weeks. But here's what almost nobody tells you. The banana peel also works on puffy eyes. Just place 2 small pieces under your eyes for 10 minutes in the morning. It's a natural depuffer that actually works. But wait, there's something even better coming up. And this next trick? This one completely surprised me when I first heard it. Trick 3. Remove splinters without pain or tweezers. This one sounds wild, but it works. If you've ever had a stubborn splinter that you just couldn't get out, the ones that go in deep and are nearly impossible to grab, this trick is for you. Take a small piece of banana peel and tape it directly over the splinter, with the inside of the peel against your skin. Leave it there for at least 30 minutes or overnight if you can. What's happening is actually kind of fascinating. The enzymes in the banana peel cause the skin to soften slightly and draw the splinter upward toward the surface, almost like a magnet. When you remove the peel, the splinter will often come right out, or it'll be close enough to the surface that it slides out with almost no pain at all. This also works for drawing out embedded dirt in wounds, and it has a mild antiseptic effect that helps prevent infection. Your grandparents probably knew this one. Trick 4, kill the itch of bug bites and rashes instantly. Here's one for the summer, and you're going to be so glad you know this. A mosquito bites you. The itch is unbearable. You're reaching for the anti-itch cream. Stop. Grab a banana peel. Rub the inside on the bite for 30 seconds to a minute. The itch will fade dramatically within a few minutes. The same works for poison ivy rashes, minor skin irritations, and even eczema flare-ups. The natural anti-inflammatory compounds calm the skin and reduce the histamine reaction that causes the itch. This works fast, and it works on kids too. No chemicals, no worries. Trick 5. Feed your garden for free. Now let's step outside for a moment, because if you have plants, indoors or outdoors, you need to hear this. Banana peels are one of the richest natural sources of potassium, phosphorus, and calcium available. These are literally the core ingredients in commercial plant fertilizers, the ones you buy in those expensive bottles at the garden center. Here are 3 ways to use the peel for your plants. Method 1. The quick soak. Chop up a banana peel into small pieces and drop them into a jar of water. Let it soak for 24 to 48 hours. Then use that water to water your plants directly. The nutrients leach into the water and get delivered straight to the roots. Method 2. The burial. Dig a small hole near the base of a plant and bury a banana peel a few inches under the soil. As it breaks down, it releases nutrients slowly over several weeks. This is especially amazing for roses, tomatoes, and peppers. Method 3. The spray. Blend a banana peel with water until it's liquid. Strain it and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it directly on the leaves. Plants actually absorb nutrients through their leaves, and this method delivers them fast. Your plants will respond quickly. You'll notice greener leaves, stronger stems, and more flowers within a week or 2. And this is just the halfway point, because the next trick is something I guarantee you've never thought of before. Trick 6. Clean and polish silver without any products. This one is for anyone with silverware, silver jewelry, or silver decorations that have started to look tarnished and dark. Cleaning silver usually involves specialty polishing creams or cloths that cost money and contain some pretty harsh chemicals. But here's what nobody tells you. Blend a banana peel with a little bit of water until it becomes a paste. Apply the paste to your silver items using a soft cloth. Rub it in gently. Let it sit for a few minutes. Then rinse it off with warm water and buff dry. The natural compounds in the peel react with the tarnish on the silver and gently lift it away. Your silver will look brighter, shinier, and cleaner without a single chemical. This also works on copper surfaces. Trick 7. Whiten your teeth. Naturally. I know you've seen the teeth whitening kits at the pharmacy. Strips, trays, gels, and they're not cheap. Before you buy your next kit, try this for 2 weeks. After brushing your teeth at night, take a piece of ripe banana peel and rub the inside along your teeth for 2 minutes. Just the inside. Slow, even strokes across all your teeth. Then leave it for about 10 minutes before rinsing. The potassium, magnesium, and manganese in the peel get absorbed into your tooth enamel. Over time, this helps break down stains and gradually whitens the teeth. It's not instant, I want to be honest with you. But after 10 to 14 days of consistent use, people genuinely notice a difference. And some people combine this with brushing with a little baking soda for even faster results. Most people have never heard of this. And most dentists definitely aren't going to tell you. All right, I saved this one for the end because it's honestly the most surprising of all. Did you know that banana peel can help remove warts? Warts are caused by the HPV virus, and they can be incredibly stubborn. Doctors often freeze them off or prescribe salicylic acid treatments. But here's an old trick that still works, and it's been talked about in medical circles too. Tape a small piece of banana peel directly over the wart, inside facing down. Change it every night. Be consistent for 2 to 4 weeks. The natural salicylates and antifungal compounds in the peel slowly break down the wart tissue and fight the virus underneath. It takes patience, but people who've done this consistently have watched their warts disappear completely, without a single doctor visit. This doesn't work overnight, but if you're patient and consistent, you'll be amazed. Now, let me tell you about the mistakes people make that stop these tricks from working. Mistake number 1, using old blackened peels. The peel needs to be ripe and fresh. Once it's completely black, most of the active compounds have degraded. The sweet spot is a yellow peel with maybe just a few brown spots. That's when the nutrients are at their peak. Mistake number 2, using the outside of the peel. I said this before, but it's worth repeating. The outside is just protective skin. All the compounds you want, the oils, the antioxidants, the nutrients, are on the inside, that soft white layer. Always use the inside against your skin, your shoes, your plants, your teeth. Always. Mistake number 3, giving up too soon. The skin tricks take time. The teeth whitening takes time. If you try it once and see nothing, that's normal. These are natural remedies. They work gradually, not instantly. Consistency over days and weeks is what creates real results. Mistake number 4, ignoring the type of banana. Conventional bananas work fine, but if you can get organic bananas, even better, especially for skin and teeth applications. Organic peels won't have pesticide residue on the outside, which means you're working with a cleaner product. Here's what I want you to really take away from this. We live in a world where we've been trained to buy solutions to every problem. Skin issue? Buy a cream. Dull shoes? Buy a polish. Garden struggling? Buy a fertilizer. Teeth not white? Buy a kit. And some of those products are fine, but a lot of them are solving problems that your kitchen already has the answer to, for free. The banana peel is just one example, but it's a powerful one because it works across so many different areas of your life. You're throwing away something every week that could be saving you real money, keeping chemicals out of your home, and actually delivering better results than what's on the store shelf. Think about it. Next time you peel a banana, before you toss it in the bin, just stop for a second. Think about what you need right now. Dull leather, dry skin, bug bites, plants looking weak? Grab that peel. You now know something that most people will never know. And the next time someone throws a banana peel away in front of you, you're going to have to resist the urge to stop them and explain everything. Now here's the thing. This video is just the beginning. Every single week I dig into the everyday things that people throw away, overlook, or underestimate, and I show you exactly how to turn them into something powerful and useful. If any of these tricks surprised you, do me one favor. Save this video, because you're going to want to come back to it. And if this helped you, subscribe, because tomorrow's trick is genuinely one of the most surprising things I've ever found, and I almost didn't believe it until I tested it myself. You're not going to want to miss it.